Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. SYM Day, the day of the Salesian Youth Movement, was held in the Salesian presence of Estoril on 2nd August, which saw the participation of over 9,000 young people, more than 500 volunteers, staff, animators, lay people of the Salesian family, Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. Also present were the Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, and Mother Kyra Cazuela, Superior General of the FMA. The meeting was attended by 150 participants from 51 countries. The welcome was given by the Councillors for Youth Ministry of the Salesians and Salesian Sisters, Father Miguel Angel Garcia and Sister Runita Galve Borja, respectively. In a friendly tone, they motivated the audience to the importance of the morning's work to frame the motto of World Youth Day. Mary rose and left in haste. In the current context of the Salesian Youth Movement, then under the guidance of the animators Silvio Monteiro and Beatriz Domingos, those present left a moment of reflection to organize in 4 languages: Portuguese, Spanish, English and Italian. Each group had a script with questions that sought to obtain considerations and suggestions for projecting the Salesian Youth Movement worldwide. At the end, each group had to submit their conclusions through an online form to be sent to Rome. After the morning meeting, the Forum of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM), the rest of the SYM Day on Wednesday, 2nd August, continued in the afternoon at Estoril with the SYM Festival held under the motto, Come, Live, Proclaim. When the Father and Center of Unity of the Salesian family, the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, and the Mother General of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians (FMA), Mother Kyra Cazuela, arrived at the Salesian School in Estoril, where the afternoon celebration took place. They could immediately feel the euphoria of the approximately 9,000 young Salesians from 78 countries present at the World Youth Day in Lisbon 2023. It was like a deluge of young men and women who went to welcome them to the celebration. The young Salesians filled the Salesian house in Estoril with a typical atmosphere of the Salesian oratory, with games, music and abundant joy. Thinking about relief and fun for young Ukrainians during the summer is the task that the Salesians in the country have given themselves. Although the war continues and there are frequent alarms night and day, we tried to make our children happy. They write from Zhytomyr, a region bordering Belarus. In the capital, Italian cooperation to build a school shortly after the fall of the Berlin Wall. Now it is entrusted to Salesian Father Michael Wojciel, a Polish missionary in the city that sees the strongest presence in Ukraine of his countrymen. Enjoy life and discover the world was the guiding theme of 2 sessions of the Happy Holiday School Camp, which took place in July. And encouraging motto that goes against the current during the present pause in intense bombardments. The Salesian community in Brunswick welcomed the relic of Don Bosco that is embedded in a life-size wax statue as part of the centenary celebration. The relic holds great importance as it serves as a symbol of unity, faith and encouragement. It represents the teachings and legacy of the man whom people call friend of the young, who worked tirelessly for the good of disadvantaged young people. The presence of the relic in Don Bosco Youth Center was an extraordinary experience, creating a sense of excitement and pride among those who know Don Bosco from Salesian colleges, technical schools, vocational training centers and parishes. It's fantastic to see Giovanni Bosco in the center, giving us a sense of hope and strength, said Father Jan Valenciage, director. Lay people, volunteers, families and friends visited the relic and spent quiet time in prayer and reflection. Many came to offer intentions for their families and studies, pray the rosary together and later conclude with the Divine Mercy Chaplet. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we'll meet again, thank you for joining us.